When working with clients, there is often a lot of exchange of information, especially if you have more technical services like a virtual assistant, web designer, etc. Instead of using lengthy forms or having the clients read long documents and training manuals, creating a mini course can save a lot of time and enhance that client communication. Plus, this can be a game changer for you to demonstrate your knowledge and be able to offer the client something unique that not a lot of other people do offer. But in order for this process to actually be faster, we need to have a great system in place, and that's what we're going to talk about today. First, we need to identify what your client actually needs to know. We want to keep the videos short and sweet and try to keep it one actionable step per video. For example, let's say that you're a virtual assistant who has set up a new inbox system for your client. They will need to understand the new system and be able to see what you have actually implemented. So some ideas for this video would include folder organization and labeling, a hierarchy of your labels, seeing how to actually process those orders while they're in the inbox, and going through best practices for maintaining this new system. You can also include videos on how to improve the process over time, how to use some keyboard shortcuts, or specific software tools that might be useful for them. That is a lot of information to just send in an email, so step number 2 is plan the course content. We're going to break it down into simple and digestible sections that will be easy for your client to follow along with. For example, the first video may include an overall view of the new structure. Create a quick bulleted or outlined script just to have something to reference while you're recording the video. You want to be clear and concise and break down further topics into multiple videos so that your client can watch them whenever is most accessible for them and be able to break it up easily because you've already broken it down into different sections for them. Number 3 is to create the actual videos, and for this we're going to use Tella to create the course. Tella allows you to record high quality videos quickly and easily from your Mac, PC, or from any web browser. It also allows you to create a public course playlist so that you can just copy that link for the client and send it straight to them. Then they can access the tutorials all in one place and be able to come back to them as needed. The in-app editing is also great for quick edits that allow you to remove silences, ahs, and remove the buffer at the beginning and end of the video. It makes for a super quick editing process and just helps it seem a little bit more professional. You can edit the layouts and the backgrounds to fit your color palette or whatever you need, and you can use features like the zoom in to highlight certain areas in the video that you want to focus on. You can also edit via the subtitles, so it's easier to find where you need to make cuts or edits in your video. Step number 4 is to provide actionable steps for your clients. We want to ensure that each video of this mini course provides one actionable step for the client to take. So if you need any information from the client after they watch the video, this is the best time to make those requests. At the end, you can include links to PDFs, forms where you can collect additional information, or the next video in the process. Limiting each video to one step will help the client be able to focus on that process or work through onboarding if that's what you end up using this for. And don't forget step number 5, to offer follow-up support. Let your client know if they need to reach out to you, where they can ask questions or request additional feedback or more videos. This is super easy to do within Tella because you can provide links within the video and change those or remove those at any time. And then you can also comment with your clients so you can have conversations back and forth. You can also see on your video itself how many people have viewed the videos so that you can keep track if your client is actually watching them or if no one has seen it yet. So what do you think? Would you try using mini courses with your clients? Let me know in the comments, or let me know if you have any other ideas for things that you could use this for. And if you're looking for more ways to get additional amazing clients, check out our last video where we talk about client red flags to look out for. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and check out the rest of the content in the Creator Essentials playlist. We'll see you in the next one.